What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. In the last video we did an unboxing on a mini GT R35 Silhouette edition. Today we've got this, the R30 in the same silhouette scheme. And like I showed you guys in the previous video, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to just add on to my collection just to make it more aesthetic. So yeah, so I have this. And if you guys remember, I did a video on the RWB Porsche and I use this car to celebrate the 1 year anniversary of RdnRacing here on YouTube. So yeah, today we've got the second car of the series, the Nissan Skyline Silhouette, the R30, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of this car. I mean, obviously you guys, I think every JDM collector will have this car, will know about this car, so I don't really have to explain to you what this is. But yeah, right off the bat, we're not going to waste any time. I'm going to dive right straight into the vehicle, because why not? So right off the bat, this car looks and feels very different compared to the R34 Silhouette, right? I mean, you guys know the R34, it's huge in the market right now. Even the white from the Boulevard series, those are huge in the market right now. And this is very old casting, obviously, the R30, both from Hot Wheels and the real life actual thing as well. So right off the bat, it does feel different. It's heavy, it's on the heavier side as well, similar to the R34. But yeah, irregardless, let's just go through. Obviously, it says Skyline right here. You've got the DOHC RS and the turbo written right there, which is very iconic for R30s. Usually you would write it for all the R30 models from Hot Wheels. Then you guys can see the rear tires, these amazing 6-spoke rims, and look at the offset. I mean, obviously it's a wide body, so that offset really makes the car look insanely amazing and well done. And then obviously the decal 25 right here, and once again the front wheels, they spin amazing well. And I think if you guys, they are the same size, right, but they kind of look like they're different because of the offset, which I think is really nice. It adds a lot of character to this vehicle. And if you guys notice, if you guys remember, if you do a comparison to the R34 Silhouette series, right, there aren't much details here. There aren't much decals here compared to the R35 or the R34. And I think that's a little bit of a bummer. I did expect a bit more details, but I'm not going to complain. From there, we're going to move on to the front of the vehicle. Obviously, it says 25 right here. I really like how they, kind of angle it towards the end, and towards one of the side instead of like in the middle, which a lot of cars do. But I think that's really nice, really nicely well done. Obviously, it says Nissan right here. This huge front splitter right there, very iconic for, even the R34. And then it says Nissan Skyline, which is exactly the same as the R35 that we did in the previous video. And on the left side of the vehicle, oops, sorry about that. Before that, plastic headlights, guys. It's been a minute since we've had plastic headlights on Hot Wheels cars, and these are plastic. They're not painted, they're plastic. I think that's really very nice, and I really appreciate that. On the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same. The wheels spin amazingly well. Obviously, we've got the reflector right here. We've got number 25, the RS, and the turbo written right there. The Skyline written right here, and there's nothing much as well. You guys can actually see the circular bits here. That's the side-mounted exhaust that comes out of the passenger side of the vehicle. Because this, like the R35 and A4, is a right-hand drive vehicle. And if you look at the rear of the vehicle, Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel, because she is girthy. And if you guys don't believe me from this view, wait till I show you this view. Just check it out. Just look at her rear and look at her front, and you guys can see the monstrosity of how girthy it is at the rear. And obviously the spoiler, it does not do any justice because it's such a small spoiler compared to the rear. However, guys, like I mentioned to you, the front headlights were plastic temples, right? However, the rear, these are painted, unfortunately. So quite a bummer. And then there aren't any details in the rear, unfortunately. Obviously, with the exhaust that goes to the side instead of the rear, I don't think they can just add any other details to the rear, which I think kind of makes this very special and unique. And then obviously, we're going to take a look at the base of the vehicle. I apologize, guys. My phone has been acting very weirdly. Let me know in the comments below if someone knows how to solve this issue. But yeah. But anyways, it says Nissan Skyline Silhouette right here. It says made in Thailand, and there aren't any details at all in the base whatsoever. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoyed this car. If you guys think this car is worth collecting. I think it's kind of worth. I mean, it will kind of complete and make my collection whole. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But just to let you guys, this video is over. I'm gonna do a few ring shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I sure had an amazing time unboxing this car. It's gonna go instantly well in my collection. So yeah, like you guys remember from the last video, we had this, the R35 LBWK. Obviously we got R34. This is for the white. And then obviously, oops, you know what, I'm gonna put it right here because this makes more sense. And obviously this is R30. But just like guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Bye.